I couldn't be more thrilled to learn that Inventing Tomorrow has received the Peabody Award for Best in Documentary. I'd like to accept the award on behalf of all the young people in our film from all over the world who are addressing environmental issues in their own backyard by finding solutions through science. Young scientists are driven to innovate today because they realize they've inherited an environmental catastrophe. Their generation doesn't have the luxury of denying the facts for decades on end, nor do they have the luxury of being mired in hopelessness. They are the generation that is being confronted by the potential end of human life on this planet, witnessing problems like air and water pollution, industrial contamination, and global warming. And they are coming up with evidence-based solutions on how to remedy them. As with the young environmental activists we've seen take over the streets, we need to recognize the wisdom of these young scientists and their urgent call to ensure these solutions can lead us to a new way of life. Youth today are passionately sharing their visions for a new world. They need to become our role models, and we must follow their lead. Our job is to support this generation's demand for a sustainable future. We can do that by amplifying their voices and providing equal access to high-quality science education, so every young person who dreams up solutions for the good of the planet is empowered to see them realized. Thank you, Peabody jurors, for deciding to focus on stories that matter and for selecting Inventing Tomorrow for this honor. On behalf of young environmentalists all over the world, we are deeply grateful.